Hey everyone watching this video, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shiko Paul. She is my sister, and if it's your first time in this channel, karibu sana. If you're returning subscribee, feel welcomed, where your thoughts are always welcomed, as long as they are positive vibes only, and I mean positive vibes. And the reason why we actually doing this video, it's because of it's kind of replying to the claims that they're being said there, and we were like zingine we have to for real we have to. Sis, introduce yourself and then you reply to the first claim.
Okay. Hello, I'm Yvonne. I'm her sister, yes, and I'm the baby of the family.
Yeah. So first of all, I wanted to clear the air where he said that alinisaidia kufungua channel. There was nothing like that. Actually, when I opened my channel, hakuwa najua. Actually, he came to know when the channel was around 5,000 subscribers, and no one actually pushed. The one person that alikuwa najua is my dad, nilimwambia. And actually, if you see, there are a certain video that we did with him when the channel was so young, and my sister, yes, she knew that I had already started the channel, and so they were like supporting me in the way of don't give up and anything. So there, he kind of lied. That's a very big lie. He didn't help me to start the channel. I did start the channel on my own.
Yeah, he came to to notice it later on. She started it. Hapo alikosea.
The second thing is that mom never broke any marriage. That's one thing. The second thing, dad alikuwa ameachana na his mom for 5 years when already walikuwa shaachana for a period of 5 years. Then that's when my mom came in as now the second wife. And actually even
not the second wife. The first, my brother's mom was not married.
Yeah, was not married.
Legally married. They were just come stay. Though come stay nowadays it's like marriage because 10 years is no joke. Yeah, but they were not married. Let me say they were not legally married.
Yeah, yes. True. So stop claiming that my mom ni alikuja kuharibia is a homebreaker. I'm like, go ask your mom. Why waliachana, what happened with it, so that dad achane na your mom, and they did sort out things. And for 5 years, you can imagine kama your mom wanted to make peace with my dad, angekuja before and they talk out things. I guess my dad was so accommodative. In a time that I felt umegombana naye ama mbebishana nawe, you are the problem. That's one thing that I knew.
Yeah, but anyway, I don't want to involve sana because there are issues.
There are issues. I was not there.
We are just we are. I normally say sisini.
Tulijikuta.
Yeah, tulijikuta. We are just victims.
I guess that's why that kind of a hatred and showing us that he loves us and yet he dislikes us. That's the bad thing. But just know, I have never had any bad blood with you. Actually, mimi nakutakianga mema.
Yeah, true by the way.
I have never had any bad blood with you. But you venye issues are just something else. So stop saying my mom was a homebreaker in your home. I wish angekuja basi wakate, because my mom got married in a church wedding. You had all the time. Now before in a Catholic who were married, it's always announced like 3 times. Kwa church leo announce the first week, then anakaa after 2 weeks, and then announce tena before now the marriage. You would have stopped it, but you didn't. The other thing is that ati tunauza shamba sis. That's so funny.
Really?
That's so funny. Okay, the first thing is that do you have proofs? The second thing, can you kindly taja the person that you're saying we're selling the land to? Just notice this. The reason why dad gave us the land, he knew the reason why he gave us. He knew that you would protect that land and you never come to a place that you would sell it. That's like a more of a memorial place for us, and it's for a generation.
Yeah, honestly, it's home.
It's
guys.
home.
How can you sell? Actually, my great grandfather is buried hapo nyumba, and is the guy who is named after dad. How can we sell a piece of land that has 2 graves in there? And where will we be going at? Where will we be showing our kids this home?
So stop giving out lies to seek that sympathy. Not onekane us like we are the bad people.
Notice, guys, hakuna property of my dad we are selling.
Yeah,
they are not for sale. Yeah, I know some of you know be like, well, yeah, Uzeni, because of this. I know some people have good intention, but trust you me, we won't sell that piece of land. Never selling it.
So stop lying and stop going around making claims that they are not there. Just come with ukuja na proofs. And you say like, we sold to this person and this person. The other thing, stop me tarnishing my mom's name. Myself, I'm not tarnishing your mom's name. Mi sijakuja kuanika. And the reason why nilienda kwa medha ya Kagoni, it's to find justice for dad. For you kama ulikuwa na other intentions, that's yours. But mine was justice for dad, apatikane, and you'll be so happy. Like huyo mtu apatikane. So you having all those claims saying akuharibia mom jina, if I'm not doing that to your mother.
By the way, we have not mentioned her reason as to why waliachana na dad. Reason being I respect her, your mom, and also respect my dad's memory.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, they were their issues. You know, I would never. I respect your mom, but the minute you cross the line, trust you me, I won't have second thoughts. Trust you me, and it will get nasty. And I don't want to pick up. I hate dramas. Actually, mina chukia dramas. Mina chukia sipendi. But ukitupush to the core, trust you me, you won't like it also. Yeah.
And the other thing is that all those pseudo accounts, like with the negative vibe, maybe you are not unatumwa so that ndo kuja uniharibia. I'm telling you, and I'm making this clear. If you text anything negative or comments, I will also give a throw shade back to you. I won't care because hakuna venye unaweza kuja kuniharibia my mood on that particular time and you think I'll be good to you. If you want to support him, go support him in his wall. And those who want to support me, come support me in my wall, and I'll be so happy. Myself, hata mtu akwa amekosea, I never go commenting on people's negativity.
Actually, you know what got me so angry, trust you me, it's how, you know, okay, everyone has a right, you know, to comment what they want to comment, but trust me, the moment you talk ill of my mom, I don't care. Trust you me, I don't care. You know, I read your comments, trust you me, and you know, people asking, Mona Shiuna Zima comment section. You know, don't forget, she's not the one seeing. See, she's not the only one in our family who is seeing it. My mom is there. Trust you, my mom is there. And some of you mnaongea ill of my mom. And pia me, I'm the daughter, nitaona pia. Do you think I'm going to laugh at those stupid comments that you are making there? And claims zenye hamna proof? Trust you me, you insult my mom. There's this lady. Is it Mrs. Spearman? I don't know.
You're such an idiot. I will say this.
Trust you me, you insult my mom. Trust me, I'm going to insult your mom, your grandma, your grandpa, every member of your family. If you have never seen us insulting anyone in your pages, don't come to insult my mom. Yeah, don't even try insulting me. Don't see us like tumenyamaza hivyo because wanatafuta justice wanyamaze mtu tukane. Yes? Trust you me, I'm going to ntarudishia pia nyinyi. You think me see you think I'm not a human being? We have feelings bana. And furthermore, you know me, I respect everyone when you comment. And there are others when you kuzile ganeni hizo assets nini mimi sina shida. I did not come there for assets or anything. And there are people who are commenting in a good way, you know, and I'm happy. And kuna ingine yes though they are like mute. Yeah, so I was saying, if you know, everyone has a space. Kuna mwingine, trust you me, there's another lady also. She was laughing at, oh, your mom is a witch. Sawa, she's a witch. And then you say like, and then you put laughing emojis like that's watu wakukuja to rescue dad. Do you know how that feels? Trust you me, mwenye aliandika. I can't remember your name, but trust you me, karma is a bitch. Utaipata pia wewe. You think you are, you know, tuko hapa hivi to cloud chasing. Wengine anasema cloud chasing. Trust me, maybe it's cloud chasing, we know how to do it. But trust you me, we would never joke with someone's death. And especially my dad's death. You guys, mi nawaambianga hivi, not unless you know you're in that shoe, you cannot understand how it feels. Ask people who have lost loved one in such a way that we have lost ours.
I actually even say losing a loved one in a hospital because it's even better.
I
guess you are blessed. Me, that's what I would say. You are just blessed.
And then speaking about hospital, kuna mwingine. Actually, these comments that I'm saying, trust me, they made me feel so bad. And trust me, I was so angry and I replied to them. Yes, and the moment mwingine anasema, oh, you are just there, kuna wengine wako hospitali. Yes, wako hospitali, thank God they are alive. Is my dad alive? Is he alive? Hiyo pesa yenye tutachanga hapa ama pesa yenye mnasema tunatumiwa itamrudisha. You won't be back. They should be happy. Na sikata, yes, they need to be donated for, but they should be thankful. Hakuna mtu hapo hivyo hajakufa mwenye wako hospitali. They are still alive. Something can be done, but my dad atarudi tena. And do you know the kind of pain he went through? You guys ni venya tuambiang the kind of pain he went through before aikate roho. And then unaongea tu rubbish hapo. Trust you me, God is seeing this. And I told God, you guys, you know, kuna comments zingine mnafanya mtu alia mwage machozi mpaka at times I'm like, Dad, I wish ungekuwa tu hapa, because trust me, we won't be doing this.
Yeah, we will never go for
we never do this.
And you know, all this is happening now after that person, you know him already. I don't want to mention his name actually. This person going throwing shade and saying that we don't need, like, showing all the properties like Dad had all the assets, and that was not the main thing, showing that we shouldn't even get help from others. I'm like, what's your problem? You yourself, you have a job, so you don't need any help by the father. So stop talking about me. For me, I need help, and that's it. For me, I need help. I'm not.
Dad was the breadwinner.
Yeah, guys. And get that.
That was the
so
breadwinner.
I don't find this person venye akona wivu. That's wivu,
you don't want your
greediness.
sisters, you know.
You just want your downfall. Yani nikaa nikujange kwa magoti niki.
Let me tell you,
report
you are going to
my channel.
You are going to wait. If you are waiting to see our downfall, you will wait. Trust me, you will wait.
And that's even Dad didn't have that kind of blood.
Yeah,
sorry to say, maybe it's the mother. Kwa sababu I'm telling you,
me, I'm not sorry to say honestly.
Yeah, true. Kwa sababu it's not Dad.
It's not
Dad was so giving. True.
Yeah.
Was so giving, and he had the kindest heart ever one would be.
You guys wish you met my dad.
You know, I'm telling you, like, I would bring friends and he would be he would never
so
welcoming, accommodating.
And
the reason why, actually, the only time I get emotional, it's when I think of Dad, but not any other thing.
That's the thing me about my dad's health. Dad was okay.
Mtu wako so happy of him how he was.
You know, mtu wako okay. Angefanya masters, trust you me guys. I can see those comments in me. People want to know. My dad was okay. Dad alisomea parasitology hapa KUN. Graduate, was it 2030 ama 20 what something. Yeah. And akona masters yake.
Yeah.
Okay, mtu zuzu ana mingi anasomanga napata hizo masters, trust you me guys. Na angetuangalia venye ametuangalia
ama
kuweza even be paying my dad used to call me daily. Trust you me, video call. Hata kama ana kitu ya kuniambia but kunijulia hard. Mtu wako sana anaweza kushughulika kupigia hata anakujuanga.
Even
so like, between my dad and him, he's the one who is crazy, and you should go to a psychiatrist. And you should just mtu ananikimbiza mimi, he's 40 something, 41 ama 41, and a 21-year-old me unanikimbiza in my father's land. Shame on you.
You should be ashamed of that.
You are the one who is mad and you are the one who is crazy. Now endo zuzu. Shame on you even of speaking ill of your father.
Imagine.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
And you know that pretense of being calm so that you get the sympathy.
Wait,
and everything.
You guys, this guy told me, Aki, I wish my phone, it's Huawei who I record. Aki ya Mungu I record. Yeah, of WhatsApp call. Even the normal call by then niliwaambianga who I record. This guy has called me 2 times ama 3 times, telling me he hates Dad. It used to me, I hate that man. I hate him. Even Juicy was in Mombasa after even I buried Dad and I had to go back to school. He was like, you know what? And even I wonder why I was being emotional on Dad's death. Even I have nothing to do with him. I don't care. Nikamuuliza, you asking me about the asset. Mbona uniulizi umefikia wapi nini kupata kujua, you know, justice ya Dad nani? He was like, I don't care. That is what he said. Yet furthermore, he used to send me his paycheck yenye analipwa. Reason being, mimi obviously if he shares something I'll show Dad. He was like, na atumianga hiyo ndo Dad ajue mimi nilifanya hivi nisaidika. Nikamwambia, oh, you think Dad atakuwa jealous of you? Nikamwambia Dad was very happy by the honestly speaking, because his lifestyle, his lifestyle, trust me, it's terrible. Someone who parties, drink, okay, it's not bad, fine, do your shit, but he never used to invest. Alianza kuinvest too juicy. Yes. And my dad was always worried. Aki huyu msi atatoka South Africa kujuku and then with nothing yet amesoma.
He was so concerned
but the time aliona like he's doing his own thing, he was happy. Though hakusema, but trust you me, I would see in his face he was really happy. Sorry if you think Dad alikuwa anaona ati Dad can never be jealous of you.
And also think to yourself, why he gave us that he gave us, and he gave you that he gave you. If you wouldn't been happy about that, ungeenda umkute umwambia, I had the reasons for everything that he did, and I'm never talking about the assets in this story again.
I'm never,
for me, I will never tell you about
assets.
It's just that I just wanted to clear that air, and I'm never talking about that. So I'll always be giving you on how we are going on the case. You're your dad, and I'll be so happy. And also, if you're there and you're a good willer, just help us in in a way to pata justice your dad, and I'll be so happy, because that's the
he's a national threat, and
anaweza kukosa alitukose kumshika akuje kwako kwenyu na uwe.
I don't want you know what you have gone through, you
because it's so horrible and so bad.
It's the kind of pain you can't express it. Trust you me, you know, having today in such a way, trust you me guys, it's really painful. So venye naona yule mwenye alisema kuna wengine wako hospitali, yes, like for fuck's sake, I know kuna wengine wako hospitali, thank God they are alive. What about my dad? I'm not saying if you kuongea vibaya, but trust you me guys, hata kama ni comment, hata kama you know support anything, or even you don't like us, fine, but una ile nini ya kusema aki mtu anaweza kuja kwetu na anywe. You see, your justice ndo hata mimi nitafurahia, because this guy apparently has killed 3 people. Someone who has killed his father, trust me, hata kukua na kunywa, it's easy.
True. And never mention my name in all the interviews that you go. Just keep quiet, because for me, I don't have any bad blood with you, but the thing is that I just don't like when someone pretends. That's it. Or even my mom's endo ukaona piana story na yourself na kwako, and I never mention your mother or say bad thing about it. I just say what's truth. Anyway, that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, kindly do like, subscribe, share, and leave a sweet comment for me, so that it is a way of supporting your YouTuber, your favorite YouTuber. Ndo waka chana ketu kasikose pesa za kumaliza shule, sikose nini ya kulipa rent, because you know we have to jikakamua venye mimi nilikuwa like, wacha niwaambie, I was never like interested as in kujikakamua juu ni sidadi yako atafanya vitu. So it's awakening up and an awakening call. That's it. So anyway,
ciao. Miss next bye.
And I'm sending hugs and all the loves to anyone maybe ana watch na feel anapitia all this. Just always tap yourself, hug
you
yourself.
Got this, you got this.
Cry if you feel like crying,
it's okay. And remember, God does not burden us soul more than it can bear.
That's it.
Ciao.